This is the brief on the fundamental concepts of artificial intelligence. Today's text cuts through the hype to map out how AI is rapidly shifting from a simple tool into an invisible infrastructure governing our lives. First, we're moving from basic chatbots to agentic AI that plans steps, chooses tools, and executes goals autonomously. It's becoming an invisible background layer, much like electricity. It's literally like upgrading from a paper map to a GPS that not only picks the route, but drives the car and recalculates for traffic. Since these agents are acting autonomously, it immediately raises the question of who is actually at the wheel when things go wrong. Second, we've got to distinguish between operational agency, the machine acting alone, and moral agency, which only humans have. Under the human-on-top principle, ethical and legal responsibility strictly remains with the human. Because of this, banning informal shadow AI at work fails. Organizations must instead provide safe, official tools. If a black box algorithm autonomously rejects someone's loan application, who ultimately takes the blame? Managing this relationship isn't just a legal headache. It also has massive physical and financial costs we have to account for. Finally, we have to look at the environmental and economic realities. AI has a massive energy footprint, so we must weigh heavy computing costs against actual social benefits, like curing diseases versus making social media filters. Economically, we face an employment hourglass effect, where entry-level jobs vanish, leaving a gap for young workers trying to gain experience. But the core problem with automation isn't about individuals needing retraining. It's about how we distribute massive economic gains concentrated at the top. The future of AI isn't a technological question, but a deeply political one about who controls it and who answers for it.